I think it's just about being yourself and being comfortable of who you are and being able to express that to people watching as well.
I think it offsets the mo beautifully. I think we're looking $1 million. Thanks for your time. We'll speak to you shortly.
No worries.
Look at that last delivery, 151.3 kilometres an hour.
Yes, the Yorker. We're talking about that just. Oh, that's an absolute gem. That is a gem of a Yorker from Umran Malik. He's producing the goods. Got. Oh!
Bowls him. That is the perfect line, the perfect length. That is outstanding. That is so good. Talk about. Oh, that looks bang in front as well. His head's all over the shot. That was a. Power play is crucial. Oh, that's brilliant. That is really, really good. Simple catch, but that is.